I guess welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you Alienware DW3423dwf best settings. If you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing and liking the video. Here you will see these are the best settings for your Alienware. First, color management. All profile tab. Scroll down to ICC profiles and delete any profile name Dell Alienware or aw3423dwf. Window are automatically download Alienware FX display and apply ICC profile and may ruin the colors on your monitor. Second, turn use SDR off in the window display settings. Third, monitor menu. Go to game, go to preset modes, go to creator, then go to color space, then go to sRGB, gamma 2.2. Fourth, monitor menu. Go to brightness slash contrast. Brightness should be 100 or contrast should be 75. Monitor menu. Go to display, go to smart HDR. SDR peak 1000. Now turn use SDR on in the window display settings. 7th, set the SDR content brightness slider in the window display settings to 35. 8th, monitor menu, go to game, go to console mode on. 9th, monitor menu, go to game, go to console mode, show stone map on. So these are the settings for your Alienware. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.